Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, I have a question. What did Umatlele said? What did Umatlele mean when she said ukuthi abantu bazozwana ngoba bane-common enemy? And then she said something else after that, like to kind of cover it up. And I'm just like, no, ma'am, I heard what I heard. And for me, it's giving vibes. Ukuthi uMatlele is saying, ukuthi uMayeni, uMakhumalo, benomangwabe sebezozwana manje because they have a common enemy. And who is that common enemy? Is it not number 5? Because she said this right away when uNokuzana, uMayeni was busy asking about indaba number 5, ukuthi ulotsholiwe yini and whatnot. And uMatlele is like, uMatlele is like, no, akayobuza indoda yakhe nakho abantu bazozwana, because I'm just like, ma'am, what do you mean? So now you're shifting yourself out of that. You're shifting yourself out of that and you making it seem good. Now I support my man in whatever I do. These ones that don't support their husband, vele, they are going to gang up on Usamke. But now I'm there to support Usamke. Because what did she mean? I mean, like, how are people going to gang up? Because, I mean, from past seasons, people have been voicing out which they are not okay with number 5, except to Tobile, the person of washinch es and took a complete 360 change or turn around is Utobile. But for her to say that, I'm just like, nah, ma'am, like, stop it. Because I actually saw this comment somewhere where someone said, yabana, if umayena ngahamba benomangwabe bangahamba, you will see ukuthi uMatlele will probably not treat uSamke as well as she's treating her right now. Not only that, guys, uMakhumalo, when the meeting starting, how did she find out ukuthi uLokuzana, ukuthi uMatlele brought number 5 esibhedlela? Hey, yes, Makhumalo, guys. Now that's how I was saying, ukuthi I also have my suspicions ukuthi Tobile, she knows number 5. Well, she says ukuthi vele ngiyamazi because we're coming from the same place, but I have not seen the girl. I just don't think, I feel like it's highly unlikely. I feel like, guys, if uphume endaweni and uyaziwa, and people know ukuthi maybe your man is dating someone wasendaweni, people are probably going to come tell you. So you're telling me Utobile is saying she's well known there where she stays, Mzumbe, that section where she stays, and not one person came to her and told her usamke utjola or this girl, and we suspect to this girl, and less railing ngempela usamke beno musa were really maybe bebetjolela le airport Shepstini and nowhere close to Mzumbe angazi. But there's just something in me that just makes me feel ukuthi Tobile, maybe uMayeni has, there's a truth in what she's saying. It's just that I don't like the approach she took, because it was like she was forcing Utobile to speak, and I don't think that's fair. But I do think I doubt Utobile didn't know anything. So how did she know Utu number 5 was at the hospital? And it looked like Utobile wanted to, but I something there. It's just that no one entertained her. She wanted to start something there by the table, because what was the relevance of her bringing up indaba yokuthi uManto has the nerve to bring number 5 to the hospital? And I'm just like, nah, man, something's just not adding up, and it's just making me scared of Tobile, guys, connections that are beyond her, because I'm just like, Anyway, guys, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.